Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Om Ajnanatimiram Dasya Jnananjanashalakhaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. This is Bhagavad Gita introduction, episode 15. The human energy is very less than automobile. So much pass, so much speed. What is science? Science means enhancing happiness and reducing the suffering. Enhancing the material happiness and reducing the material suffering. For this actually everybody is working. They are researching what to give, how to maximize, how to give more comforts to people, right? We are finding solutions to human problems. That is their proposition. That's why they actually got so much. We are helping people, we are elevating people, we are giving them better comforts. We made your life comfortable. That is their claim. Anyway, but still in AC is also, here also we suffer. Despite of all the facilities, we are still, that means there are some more causes we should not identify. Still people are suffering, means they have not sufficiently research. After so many years of so much advancement, we say after scientific research, still many innumerable problems are unsolved, especially related more on mind, intelligence and ego, or which are very subtle. The scientists have research on 5 gross elements, not about the 3 more, mind, intelligence and ego. So, because they have only gross reasons are identifying, they are not able to elevate mental suffering. Mental distress is increasing. Lamentation also increasing. Most frequently faced these, but there is no solution. Like tsunami, how they could face it? There is no solution. Like corona, how they could face it? They could not stop it. There are some more causes which they are not able to manipulate. They are not able to identify like that. Today, very prominent topic in the world is to identify the causes of suffering of corona. Identify the causes of happiness and manipulate them. Removing corona and identify the causes of happiness and manipulate them. This is the whole research. Science means finding the causes. So even not only this material science, even spiritual science aims at identifying the causes. Because this concept is there. Everybody is like that. Who created the world? Who is the proprietor? Who is the enjoyer? I am not bothered about that. Really, I am not concerned. I am not worried. I grown up and growing. I am still growing. My concern is I am not happy. That is my concern. I am not happy. That is the major concern for me. Biggest problem in the universe is I am unhappy. That is the biggest problem. Newspaper may write 100 people died in the corona, or 100 people died in the accident. That makes so much sense to me as much as I have a headache, or somebody scolded me, or somebody is not respecting me. That is the biggest problem for me than the corona or some this and that, so many problems. It makes sense to me. I am unhappy. It has anything related to Japan. We are not interested in that. Primary our concern is our happiness or distress. We want to find out what is the cause. We question actually every day, why am I unhappy? Why am unhappy? As soon as we get up, somehow lamentation is there. First of all, why I woke up late? First, what is cause for it? Maybe because of this, maybe because of that. We have so many causes. Every day we are questioning. Suppose you did not do something properly. What is going to cause? What is the reason? So we are also actually questioning that. This is the human tendency to question. What is the cause for this to happen in the right way or wrong way? Mostly identify that ourselves is the cause. I could have done like this, or others are cause. Immediate, what we see is immediately either us or others. If we cannot find by chance, there is another name. Similarly, why the prices are rising? Due to inflation. Inflation is the term to raise the prices, not a cause. Today, we are understanding who is the cause of all causes. If we know the root cause, we manipulating the root cause, we can easily get the effect results very quickly. That is the point here. Once we will discuss, it is very clear how we designed it. The pages you understand, we are better scientists than almost other scientists. If we understand this simple fact, we should never be able to come to conclusion. Will all their research, so that much important it is. The whole scientific research does not come into a fraction of we discuss in this. So easy to understand just by having faith and accepting it. So Krishna says, I am the source of everything. That's today's topic. In other words, I am the cause of everything. He gives the very root level relatives, basic relatives. Krishna creates everything. He is the source of everything. Krishna is the Supreme Brahman, Param Brahma. Krishna is the source of all that exists. Krishna is the beginning, middle and the end. Krishna is unborn Ajam. Krishna is the cause of all that is, that was or that will ever be. Krishna is Purnam, complete. We know the source of everything. Now, water, we can serve. When we know the source, we can serve. All my energy to invest where I can get happy. I have some money. Where should I invest? I get maximum returns. Whatever I have. I have time. Where should I invest my time? We have energy. We have time. We have resources. We want to know where should we utilize them, use them, so that I can get maximum happiness or maximum returns. So, Krishna is saying, I am the source of everything, controller of everything. Now we know where we invest our time or energy or money. I stop this episode here. I will continue in next episode. श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंद हरे हरे बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे